Welcome to this tutorial on the AutomationEdge Surface Plugin, focusing on the Surface Actions special keys. We'll walk you through configuring and executing a surface automation workflow using special keys. Special keys enable users to perform key actions with a single key or combination of keys in separate square brackets for each key. In this demo, I'll showcase the use case to copy 4 files and paste them to a destination. We'll add 4 different special keys demonstrating its versatility along with mouse actions to accomplish the use case. In the initial setup, open AutomationEdge Process Studio, open an existing workflow, or create a new one. You can create a workflow directly using Surface Spy or manually. I have created a blank workflow, Surface Actions Special Keys. I will now add workflow steps manually. From the Design Navigator, drag and drop a Start step and the Surface Actions step and connect them to create a workflow. Double-click or edit to open the Surface Actions step for configurations. Enter a descriptive step name. Select a template match pattern. Optionally, set template image index to select image in case of multiple image retrieval. Leave retry count at default. OCR provider is relevant for the read text action. We can skip it. Next, let's add a template image. Ensure your target application area for Surface Automation region is fully visible on screen. When Surface Spy opens, click Capture Image. Use the crosshair to select the desired region. For now, you may leave the default configurations on the right panel. Click OK. Close Surface Spy. In Actions field, click first row under Actions column. Select Special Keys from Action List. The action type for special keys has 3 options. Default, it performs key press and key release operations for the specified keys, with press and release immediately. Key press, a key press action simulates the act of physically pressing down a key on a keyboard, with only press or hold key. It triggers the key down event, typically recognized by applications or systems as if a user had manually pressed a key. Key release. A key release action simulates the act of lifting or releasing a key that was previously pressed down. It releases a previously pressed key. It triggers the key up event, signaling to applications or systems that the key is no longer being pressed. Note, all the pressed keys must be released in the step. If any key is not released, then the step will throw an exception. Let me select Key Press. In the Key field, let me enter the special key control in square brackets. Note the Select Image Bounds is disabled, as key press does not require to select anchor or target bounds. Click OK. Configure the wait for time, match pattern, image index, and provide the action description. Now we will perform the mouse click options to select 4 files. In the Actions field, click second row under Actions column. Select the mouse action. In Action Type, select left click with click position select center. In Use Anchor Image, select Yes. Click Select Image Bounds. For the anchor bounds, select a static region. For target bounds, select the region to click for copy. In this case, the first file to copy. Let's duplicate the second row. Right-click the second row. Click Copy Selected Lines to Clipboard. Then click Paste Clipboard Table 3 times to create 3 new duplicate rows. Click Action in the third row to configure it. In Action, select Mouse Action from the list, Action Type left-click, click Position Center. Configure it like the previous row to select the region of the second file for copy. Click Action in the 4th row to configure it. Configure it like the previous row to select the region of the 3rd file for copy. Click Action in the 5th row to configure it. Configure it like the previous row to select the region of the 4th file for copy. We have selected the files. We now need to release the control key. Click Action in the 6th row to configure it. In the Action field, select Special Key. In the Action Type, select Key Release, and in the key, provide the control key in square brackets. Next, we need to copy the files. Configure the action for Special Key, Action Type Default with Keys Combination Control and C in independent square brackets. Provide 1 in the repeat count. Next, action is double-click to open the target folder. Select Mouse Action from the drop-down list. In the Action Type, select double-click and click Position Center. For Use Anchor Image, select Yes. Select Anchor and Target Bounds and complete the configurations. Finally, we need to paste the files to the destination folder. Configure the action for Special Key. Action type default with keys combination control, and V in independent square brackets. Provide 1 in the repeat count. As a pre-execution check, ensure your automation target area is completely visible. Adjust your window if any part is hidden. Hidden elements can cause automation failures. Execute the workflow. Watch and wait as Surface Actions selects 4 files and pastes them in the target folder. Watch as the workflow completes. Streamline your surface automation and AI and automation with AutomationEdge. Contact us today.